Today's video, I'll show you how to delete your temporary files and free up junk space on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for settings, and from the best matches, just open up settings. Expand this. Then from the left hand side, just go to system. And from here, what you need to do is just search for storage. Give yes here if it asks for permissions. And after that, what you have to do is just wait out for this temporary files to be calculated, because those are the things that we're going to be deleting. Just give it some time, and it's going to tell you exactly how much temporary files you have on your system, especially on your system drive. For me, which is the local disk C. As you can see, I keep my computer clean, so it's only 1.11 GB currently. And how to delete that? Just click on the expand icon. And from here, you can click on refresh to calculate everything. And after it calculates everything, you can simply select everything from here. Then click on remove files. Click on continue after it asks you that it will be permanently deleted. Are you sure? And there you go. Everything has been deleted. You can select if anything is left and click on remove files again. And then you can just go one step back and go under storage management and make sure to turn on storage sense. As you can see, for me, it's turned on. You can do the same thing here as well. Then just close this out. Then another thing that you can do is just go to your search and search for disk cleanup. From the best matches, just open up disk cleanup. Then just select your system drive or the disk that you want to clean up and click on OK. Then it will bring up a list of files that you can delete. Click on clean up system files from here. Select your system drive again and click on OK. Give it some time. It will scan for all the temporary and junk files and then it will show you this window again. Make sure to select everything from here and click on OK and click on delete files, because those will be permanently deleted. It asks for a confirmation on the second time. But that's completely fine. After that, you need to just give it like 30 to 40 seconds or maybe a slightly more, because you might have more junk files on your system. But after it's done, it will close this window automatically. And there you go. And basically, that is how to delete all temporary files and free up space on your C or your system drive. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.